Hey guys, Chuck House of Mopar coming back at you with a Shorty here. As you know, I found my trim for inside the car down at John's. It goes up being there, major score. That's not easy to find. But what I was missing was this trim right here. Right, it's probably down there somewhere, but right now it's MIA. I had the front trim. I just happened to luck out, and this was the side for this, right? Okay, so I got on to a couple of Facebook, where am I? A couple Facebook things. One's called 6365 Mopar, and I think the other one's 6365 B-Bodies or something. I said, boys, I need some trim. So a guy named Pat, he said, hey, I might have that. So we got together and talked, and he says, I think I have your trim. I said, well, okay. Cool. How much you want? He says, how about 30 bucks? And I'm like, I think that sounds like the friend's price, actually. So because I'll send it to you. And then if it works, we'll figure out the shipping. So he says, I'm going to put it in a tube so they don't wreck it. And it came here. So right now we're going to check that out. This would be the last piece of my trim puzzle. Good. All right, let me sit you up. Can you see me now? I don't know what you guys are going to see. This was a brilliant idea. I never considered sending it in a, piece of PVC. All right, how are we gonna do this? She comes, birthing some trim. All right, so it gave this away for me and him. See this detail on the front trim? Similar. Okay. All right, let me lay this down here and we'll lay her down next to it. All righty, so I put the front piece on. Taking the clips out of both of these. I don't know, clearly they're, opposites, one side and the other. I don't know, you'd think it would taper to the back here. I've got 6 holes. I do know the clips the 2 that were in there aren't gonna slide all the way down there. I don't know which side should be which. That's as far back as that wants to go. And it appears to be a little long here. I don't know. I don't know what might be stuck back there. Damn it. At the moment, it appears to be long. Don't know. I'll look at this later. And yeah, keep you guys updated. But at least I got a couple pieces of trim, something I can possibly work with. All right, we're not done yet. All right. Yep, there's windshield dope or something that was back in there. I cleaned it out, and yeah, I mean, it's gotta be right, no? Yeah, it's gotta be right. You can see they probably just taped it off. Yeah. All right. Believe we have a winner, Pat. I'll be calling you shortly. Thanks. See you guys.